Shugor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima. Madam tut kekam kejam ema kejingrom biang ke boarding. One shaka orange electrical loom sopo Nongsaiñ nakabenta ki diesel generator.
Wintri ramba kejela Conrad K Sangma hakala singi ublay ulay banta kelingku snem ba arpau jong ke jingkheiñ ke North Eastern Space Application Center kabadan Haumyam Riwai District. Conrad ublay banta lingba ke video conference lai khublay ke katnat trekam halor usnyang bakala penno syakathan chate lambingi bat khamtam syakajela Meghalaya ulong balingba ke space technology lala ban penbei igi bubun gijing e.
Would like to congratulate Nongsaiñ on 20 years completion. It's a long time, but it seems these 20 years have gone by very fast. And I must say Nongsaiñ has really contributed a lot to the overall development and different challenging situations that we have faced in Meghalaya state and the Northeast as a whole. He said, if I get a satellite, then I can transform the entire state. I don't need the other developments. I want a satellite from the Government of India. That is the kind of vision that our Honorable Prime Minister had. And we can clearly see where it is coming from. I mean, if you look at the entire work that's happening today, especially with this COVID situation, especially with the kind of response we need to give immediately for so many things, satellite communication and overall ICT, overall technology is playing a very, very critical role in the overall management and development process of our state and of the country, in fact, as a whole. I've been to many states in the country today, and most of the states you go to, a lot of these aspects of disaster management, of entire weather prediction, agricultural aspects, health aspects, so many of these aspects in many states today are being, I should say, guided by and helped and supported by the satellite technologies that's available in the world and in the country today.
Nagaliang Conrad ulakran ru shapang gijing I jangai Menteri Rangbado Narendra Modi kamtam hagabay day bagijing penunkam iki kor ki bor bat gijing start kat kum gajuk ke bamenta banwanra gijing kala ki bobon ulong ru bahakum kane ka por jong ka khlam covid khat khandai gijing penunkam iki kor ki bor lingba ke information technology kalanang kiu bat kala Ïarap shibon ki bobon ki liang bakun thop ru gijing lum jingkheiñ da ka sarkar
Planning Commission to ask for schemes and all. So he had met the then Prime Minister and he said, Mr. Sangma, do you know what I asked for? I said, sir, I don't know.
We have been able to reduce the maternal mortality rate, or rather I should say increase the institutional deliveries by almost 30%.